Dear shareholders, it is my pleasure to welcome you all for the 116th annual general meeting of the company, which is being held through video conferencing in accordance with the relevant guidelines and directions issued by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs and Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI. Before we commence the formal proceedings, I would like to appraise you of certain aspects which are relevant and are required for the smooth conduct of this meeting. One, the facility of joining this AGM through video conferencing or other audio-visual means is being made available for the members on first come first serve basis. Number two, this meeting shall be administered and facilitated by the moderator. Number three, to avoid any background noise or disturbance and to ensure smooth and seamless proceedings, all the attendee shareholders by default are placed on mute. Number four, once the question and answer session starts, names of the shareholders who have pre-registered themselves as a speaker will be announced one by one, and such speaker shareholders would be required to unmute his or her audio. Such a speaker shareholder would be required to click the video on button on his or her screen. While speaking, it would be preferable for the speaker shareholders to use earphones for better voice clarity. It is advisable to minimize any noise in the background and ensure that no other device is connected to Wi-Fi during this period. And it is also advisable that during such period, no other application is running on your device or your location has proper provisions of light to have a good video experience. Number five, in case due to any technical or other reasons, a speaker shareholder is not able to join through video mode, then he or she may also join through the audio mode. Number six, there is a possibility of connectivity problem or poor bandwidth issues which cannot be ruled out at speaker's end. In such a case, we would request the next speaker shareholder to join, and once the connectivity improves or is restored, the speaker shareholder will be once again requested to participate and speak after the other pre-registered speaker shareholders has completed his or her turn to speak. Number seven, in the interest of time and to afford opportunity to each of the pre-registered speaker shareholders to speak, all the shareholders are being humbly requested to limit their speaking content to a maximum of 3 minutes. Number eight, for any technical issues which any of the shareholders may face during the period of this meeting, they may call the helpline number which has been provided in the notice of this annual general meeting for assistance. Number nine, live streaming of this meeting is also being webcasted on NSDL website. Number 10, the company has taken all the necessary steps to enable and ensure effective participation and voting by the shareholders. On behalf of the management, now I would like to request our chairman to chair the proceedings of the AGM. Chairman, sir.
Mr. Agarwal, good evening to all our dear shareholders. I wish to inform that I have joined this meeting through video conference from London, United Kingdom. On behalf of the board and the management, I welcome all of you and extend our sincere gratitude for attending the 116th annual. I've been advised by Mr. Agarwal, our company secretary, that the requisite quorum is present to validly conduct the proceedings of the annual general meeting of the members of the company. Participation of members through video conferencing is being reckoned for the purposes of quorum as per the circular issued by MCN Section 103 of the Companies Act 2013. I therefore now call the meeting to order. I now call upon all the participating board members to introduce themselves one by one.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Mrs. Rupal Vora, an independent director of the company. I'm attending this meeting from my residence in Mumbai. And I would also like to inform you that I am the chairperson of the Stakeholders Relationship Committee, as well as the Corporate Social Responsibility Committee. Thank you.
I'm Jayesh Dadia, independent auditor. I'm a chairman of the audit committee of Walchandnagar Industry Limited. And thank you.
Good evening, everybody. I'm Dr. Prabhat Kumar. I'm attending this AGM from my residence office at Bangalore through video conferencing. I wish to inform you that I am chairman of the Nomination and Remuneration Committee of the company. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Chirag Doshi, Managing Director and CEO of the company, and I have joined the AGM from our office in Mumbai. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I'm GS Agrawal, whole-time director and company secretary of the company, and I have joined this AGM from my office in Mumbai through video conferencing. Now I request our chairman to continue the proceedings of the meeting. Thank you.
Please note that in addition to the key executives and senior management of the company who have joined this meeting through video conference, the statutory auditors of the company and the secretarial auditor of the company have also joined this meeting in similar fashion. The company has received 5 letters from corporate shareholders appointing authorized representatives under Section 113 of the Companies Act in respect of 209,47,215 equity shares of rupees 2 each, which constitute 30.90% of the company's paid up equity share capital. Since under such kind of format, there is no possibility of securing physical attendance of the members. Therefore, in line with the applicable guidelines, there is no requirement of appointing proxy. Registers, documents, and records as required under the applicable law are available for inspection by the members. Members are seeking to inspect such documents can send an email to the designated email address, that is investors@walchan.com. Members who have not voted earlier through remote e-voting can cast their vote during the course of the meeting through e-voting facility. The notice of the annual general meeting has already been sent to all the shareholders whose email IDs were registered with the company. I request that the notice convening this meeting be taken as read. I would now hand over the proceedings to the company secretary, Mr. Agarwal.
Thank you, Chairman, sir. As per the relevant provisions of the Companies Act 2013 and SEBI listing regulations, which provides for electronic voting, the company had provided the facility of remote e-voting from August 11, 2025, 9 a.m. onwards to August 13, 2025, up to 5 p.m. It may please be noted that the voting rights of the members are in proportion to the number of shares held by them, as on the cutoff date, which was August 7, 2025. The facility of voting at the meeting is also being made available to the members who are attending the AGM and who have not already cast their votes by remote e-voting. Members are requested to visit the voting page of NSDL website and cast their vote. Your board of directors have appointed Mr. V.N. Devdhar of Messrs. V.N. Devdhar and Company, practicing company secretaries, as the scrutinizer to scrutinize the voting process. Since the annual general meeting is being held through video conference or other audio-visual means, and the resolutions mentioned in the notice convening this AGM has already been put to vote through e-voting, therefore there will be no proposing or seconding with respect to the proposed resolution at this meeting. I will now request the chairman to take over and proceed with the rest of the proceedings. Thank you, Chairman sir.
You're on mute. You're on mute.
Sir, you have to unmute, sir.
You're on mute.
Excuse me, I've turned it on. I will now proceed with the agenda in accordance with the notice of this AGM and would request Sri Agarwal to take up the agenda of the meeting.
Thank you, Chairman sir. I will do the same. The ordinary business items as listed in agenda number 1 and 2 of the notice, which are as follows. Number 1, to receive, consider and adopt the audited financial statement of the company as at March 31st, 2025, together with the reports of the Board of Directors and auditors thereon. Number 2 resolution, to appoint a director in place of Mr. Chakur L. Doshi, DIN number 00210,949, director who retires by rotation at 116th annual general meeting and being eligible offers himself for reappointment. The special business agenda items are listed at agenda item number 3, 4, 5 and 6 of the notice, which are as follows. Number 3, to ratify and confirm remuneration payable to the cost auditors for conducting cost audit of the company for the year ended March 31st, 2026. To consider the appointment of the secretarial auditors of the company and fix their remuneration. Number 5, to consider and approve resolution for continuous appointment of Dr. Prabhat Kumar, independent director of the company, as a director in the company after completion of 75 years of age. Number 6, to consider and approve appointment of myself, Mr. Giriraj Sharan Agrawal, DIN number 00404340, as an whole-time director of the company. I now request the moderator to call out the names of the members, one after the other, who have pre-registered themselves for seeking clarifications and for the purpose of offering their valuable comments and suggestions.
Our first speaker shareholder, Smita Bharat Shah. Smita Bharat Shah.
Your voice is not clear. Say her name clearly.
Smita Bharat Shah.
The first speaker shareholder is Mrs. Smita Bharat Shah.
हेलो हाय हेलो हेलो चेयरमैन साहब आवाज आ रही है मेरी?
Yes, आ रही है.
हाँ जी थैंक यू सो मच. माननीय चेयरमैन साहब श्री चकोर जी, एमडी श्री चिराग जी और सभी उपस्थित माननीय डायरेक्टर्स, आप सभी को मेरा स्मिता शाह का सादर प्रणाम. फर्स्ट वन, मैं सेक्रेटरी टीम का आभार व्यक्त करते हुए कि आज हमें जो लिंक भेजकर आपके साथ बात करने का मौका दिया. So always good investor service सालों से उम्दा कार्य के साथ देते रहे हमारे मेहनती हार्ड वर्कर कंपनी सेक्रेटरी श्री GS अग्रवाल जी और उनकी पूरी सेक्रेटरी टीम और उनकी टीम से राजू जी और देवानी चिराग सभी की मैं उम्दा गुड सर्विस के लिए बहुत बहुत सराहना करते हुए धन्यवाद और अभिनंदन देती हूँ। और चेयरमैन साहब, आज आपकी 116 AGM की बधाई देते हुए कहूंगी कि इतनी 100 साल के ऊपर हमने बहुत कम कंपनी देखी है। सो आपकी मेहनत और आपकी जो लगन कंपनी के प्रति है, सो सालों से आपने अप्स एंड डाउन्स भी कितने भी देखे, लेकिन आपने कभी हिम्मत नहीं हारी और आप हिम्मत के साथ कंपनी को ऑलवेज आपकी गुड लीडरशिप के साथ और सभी बोर्ड टीम का सहयोग के साथ आप आगे बढ़ाते रहे हो। सो चेयरमैन साहब, मैं तो आपकी मेहनत की कदर करते हुए, हिम्मत को बढ़ाते हुए, मैं आप पर पूरा भरोसा है कि सो विश्वास के साथ मैं कहूंगी कि हमारा भी हरदम साथ सकार आपके साथ है। हम भी सालों से आपके साथ जुड़े हैं। सो पूरे विश्वास के साथ मैं जरूर आपके साथ में कहूंगी कि हम आज के सभी रिजोल्यूशन में मैं फुल्ली स्ट्रांगली सपोर्ट करती हूँ और मैं मेरी एक शेयर होल्डर बहन के नाते शुभकामना भी देती हूँ आपको। आप सदा स्वस्थ रहे, मस्त रहे और हमेशा हिम्मत के साथ कदमों कदम प्रगति के साथ आगे आगे बढ़ते रहे। और मैं जरूर कहूंगी कि बारिश की हर बूंद जितनी भी इस धरती पर गिरे, उतनी सारी खुशियां आपकी झोली में गिरे और आपकी हर मनोकामना पूरी होए जो आप चाहे। आप सदा मुस्कुराते रहे और हिम्मत के साथ आगे बढ़ते रहे। बस यही मेरी एक दिल की शुभभावना के साथ, आशीर्वाद के साथ शुभकामना करती हूँ। और चेयरमैन साहब, बस हम कई साल से हम अब फिजिकली नहीं मिल रहे हैं, सो मेरी एक रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप जरूर नेक्स्ट ईयर फिजिकल हाइब्रिड AGM करें ताकि हम आपसे फिजिकल रूबरू मिलने का मौका मिले। सो मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ कि नेक्स्ट ईयर फिजिकल AGM में रहेंगे हम सब साथ साथ और बस आप सदा रहे गुड हेल्थ वेल के साथ। सो धन्यवाद चेयरमैन साहब, चालू रखिए, भरत साहब बात करते हैं। थैंक यू।
माननीय चेयरमैन श्री चकोर जी, दोषी जी और चिराग जी और अन्य मान्यवर डायरेक्टर, सर मेरा नाम भरत सर मैं बरसों से आपका शेयर होल्डर रहा हूँ, बरसों से AGM अटेंड करता हूँ सर। बहुत न्यूट्रली आप जो कंपनी चला रहे हो, इतना साल से कंपनी को टिका के आप जो आगे बढ़ा रहे हो, मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद अभिनंदन देता हूँ सर। और सर मैं कंपनी सेक्रेटरी अपने GS अग्रवाल जी और उनकी टीम के राजू जी और पूरी CS टीम को मैं बहुत धन्यवाद अभिनंदन देता हूँ सर। बेस्ट इन्वेस्टर सर्विस दे रहे हैं सर, हमेशा शेयर होल्डर को रिस्पेक्ट देते हैं, शेयर होल्डर की क्वेरी सोल्व करते, तो मैं पूरी CS टीम को बहुत धन्यवाद अभिनंदन देता हूं सर। और सर आपको रूबरू मिले बहुत साल हो गए, तो सर दिवाली के बाद ऐसा गेट टुगेदर या आप मुंबई में आए तो कभी हमको 5 मिनट के लिए मिलने का मौका देना सर, नहीं तो गेट टुगेदर जैसा करना और नेक्स्ट ईयर AGM सर फिजिकल करना, तो अपन रूबरू में साथ में मिलेंगे सर। और सर फैक्ट्री विजिट को भी बहुत टाइम हो गया, तो फैक्ट्री विजिट एक साल हो सके तो वालचंद नगर फैक्ट्री विजिट रखने की मेरी हार्टली रिक्वेस्ट है। बाकी आपकी हेल्थ वेल्थ अच्छी रहे, अपनी कंपनी बढ़िया प्रगति करे, सारे रिजोल्यूशन में सर मेरा पूरा सपोर्ट है सर। थैंक यू वेरी मच। जय हिंद, जय जिनेंद्र सर, जय महावीर। थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू सर।
Thank you, Smita Sa and Bharat Sa.
Next speaker shareholder is Mr. Gagan Kumar.
He has not available in the meeting.
The next speaker shareholder is Mr. Yusuf Rangwala.
सर वेरी गुड इवनिंग सर, गुड इवनिंग चेयरमैन सर। जो आपको आवाज आ रहा है साहब, आवाज आ रहा है?
यस आ रहे हैं, आप बोलिए।
सर पहले तो अपने कंपनी सेक्रेटरी GS अग्रवाल साहब, जैसा उनका नाम वैसा उनकी हस्ती और ऐसी उनकी हंसी सर। अग्रवाल साहब हंसते रहे, मुस्कुराते रहे और फूलों की कलियों की बाहर आपकी जैसी आपकी हंसी है सर। सेक्रेटरी साहब आपकी हंसी तो ऐसी कभी कम नहीं हो सर। एज ए फ्रेंड हम आपको विश करते सर। आज अपने 116 ईयर कंपनी है सर और अपने 10 रुपया का शेयर है और अपने जानना चाहते हो सर, इतना अच्छी कंपनी है सर वालचंद इंडस्ट्री सर। पहले अपना बड़ा बड़ा डिफेंस का प्रोडक्ट बनाते थे सर। एट प्रेजेंट सेक्रेटरी चेयरमैन सर, मैं जानना चाहता हूँ अपने डिफेंस का ऑर्डर क्या है सर? एट प्रेजेंट व्हाट ऑर्डर सर? मैंने खुद आपका फैक्ट्री देखा है, वहाँ पे इतना बड़ा बड़ा डिफेंस का ऑर्डर सर, इसकी कीमत सर बहुत अच्छी है सर। सर ये अभी ऑर्डर अपने पास है कि नहीं है सर? जानना चाहता हूँ सर, आपका फैक्ट्री सर मैंने बहुत टाइम हमने विजिट किया है, पर आपकी यार सर ये फैक्ट्री का आपका जो हमारे आप जो हमारा अरेंज करते हैं फैक्ट्री में, और आपका जो वहाँ का जो स्टाफ इतना अच्छे से हमको सर्विस देते हैं सर, बहुत खुश होते हैं हम। सर मेरा इतना रिक्वेस्ट आफ्टर दिवाली अगर आप ऐसा गेट टुगेदर रखे चेयरमैन सर अग्रवाल साहब, इतना मेरा रिक्वेस्ट है, क्योंकि बॉम्बे में आप ट्रेन में पहले लेके जाते थे, अगर ट्रेन में है तो आप बस को करिए, तो जो भी स्पीकर है उसको आप लेके जाइए, इतना मेरा हम पर रिक्वेस्ट है सर। फूलों की खुशबू कलियों के बाहर, और चेयरमैन साहब चकोर सर, आपके टैबलेट हाउ इज चेयरमैन सर, हाउ इज योर हेल्थ सर, टुडे यू आर लुकिंग सर अ वेरी स्माइलिंग फेस सर, हम आपके लिए पूरे हमेशा सर आपके टैबलेट के लिए हम दुआ करते रहते हैं सर, आपकी टैबलेट अच्छी रहे और आप कभी भी डिविडेंड लिस्ट पे दिल्ली आ सके सर। ये हम वालचंद कंपनी सर बहुत जूनी कंपनी है सर, वालचंद का नाम था सर, आज भी सर फॉर एग्जाम्पल मोतीलाल ओसवाल, शेर खान ने सब ब्रोकर अपने कंपनी परचेज करते हैं। आज आपका भाव सर 182 है सर, उन लोग बोलते हैं 182 ये कम से कम 350 जाएगा सर, इतना अच्छा आपका जा सकता है सर, क्योंकि आपकी कंपनी में अग्रवाल साहब है, जहाँ पे अग्रवाल साहब होते हैं सर, उनकी हार्ड हार्ड गाइडेंस सर, उनकी हार्ड और उनके हमारे शेयर होल्डर की प्रॉपर्टी सर बहुत अच्छी हमको सर्विस देते हैं सर, हम बहुत लकी है सर, ऐसी अच्छी कंपनी सेक्रेटरी मिले सर, आप उनको रखिए सर, बहुत संभाल के रखिए सर, अग्रवाल जी को आप संभाल के रखिए सर। थैंक यू वेरी मच सर। और चेयरमैन सर आपके लिए भी दुआ करता हूँ, एक छोटा सा शेयर पेश करना चाहता हूँ। अब भी आपको गणेश चतुर्थी जी आ रहे हैं सर, गणेश की आपके पास आशीर्वाद रहे, और गणेश जी की अपने पास कंपनी के जो अपने में तकलीफ है सर, वो गणेश आने के बाद 27 तारीख को गणेश पधार रहे हैं सर, उनके आने के बाद ये अपने कंपनी में जो भी तकलीफ है सर वो लेके जाएंगे, और अपना गोविंदा के आपको शुभकामना देता हूँ सर। कल अपना सर इंडिपेंडेंस डे है सर, 67 इंडिपेंडेंस डे का मैं सर बहुत शुभकामना देता हूँ सर। जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र, वंदे मातरम, भारत माता की जय सर। थैंक यू वेरी मच सर, जय हिंद सर, जय हिंद।
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Our next speaker shareholder is Mr. Himanshu Trivedi.
Hello, I am audible. I am audible.
Yes, you are. Yes,
Yes.
you are. Please go
Good
ahead.
evening, good evening, all of you. Respected Chairman Chakor Doshi, Chirag Doshi, and other board of directors sitting on desk. Myself, Himanshu Trivedi from Vadodara, Gujarat State. First of all, I am congratulations for Company Secretary G.S. Agrawal, who is sending me a hard and even soft copy of the AGM report well in advance, which is full of information, fact, figure, and place, which is easy to follow, easy to understand. So I am thankful to you and your entire secretary team. Report is nicely prepared with a beautiful picture of the photograph with the excellent performance of the excellent result and full of information, including all parameters as given in report. I don't have much question because I full faith on board and their resolution. Sir, I support all the resource items. I have sent my all question and query through the email well in advance with the save the time of the AGM and give the opportunity to speak my the rest speaker shareholder. Sir, still I have few questions. Now, what is the market share we have in domestic and international market? What would be the effort in small unorganized sector? My third query, what would be the profit sharing ratio in coming financial year? And my last and final question, how much new product is coming in new current financial? I wish good luck and bright future for coming financial year. Thank you to allow me to speak. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Our next speaker shareholder, Mrs. Sureka Shah.
He has not available in the meeting.
Our next speaker shareholder is Mr. Sarat Kumar Shah.
Can you hear me, sir? Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, we can.
Chairman, sir, good. Shah, but you are not unmute her, so she could not write. So it's okay. Sir, what I have gone through the annual report, and I referred page number 1848 108, and these pages are for foreign exchange and foreign exchange. 8 page 18 says that export is 9.61 crores. And if I go to page number 48, it says the foreign exchange earning is 33.93 crores. And if I go to the last page, that is 108, that says the foreign exchange earning is 1.04 crores. So there is no
I can't hear him. It's very broken.
We can't hear him.
And he's gone now. I think he was talking something about some discrepancy between foreign exchange and the annual report.
We move now to our next speaker shareholder, Mr. Bimal Agarwal.
Hello. Hello.
Yes.
This is Bimal Kumar Agarwal speaking. First of
Yes, sir.
all, I like. Hello.
बोलिए सर, बोलिए.
First of all, I like to thank company secretary G.S. Agrawal and his team, and also the management staff and the children. Sir, good evening, good night, good morning, and good afternoon. The other shareholder, other directors who have joined from the different part of the world. My question was already raised by the other speaker. I got no question to ask. Only try to arrange a plant visit if you don't mind. And what is the land bank we got? This is 116 AGM. We may be having lots of land bank. I think so. And what is the valuation of the land bank? That's all from me. Thank you very much. And please continue video conference in future.
Thank you, Mr. Vimal Agarwal.
Now we move on to our next speaker shareholder, Mr. Anil Mehta.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are audible.
Is Anil Mehta here? Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir. You can speak.
Thank you, sir. Good evening. This is Anil Mehta. Attend this meeting from Mumbai. Sir, from our side, only one question that regarding this trade war and the present situation with our neighbor country and also the present repo rate. What's the growth can we expect in the current FY 2025-26? With this, we are supporting all the resolution and thanks to the Secretarial Department for their cooperation and support. And thank you all the best for the bright future of our company. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Mehta.
Now the next speaker shareholder, Ms. Swechha Jain from ANS Wealth.
She has not available in the meeting.
She's not there. Next, Sanjay.
Our next speaker shareholder, Mr. Bharat Ne Gandhi.
Sir, you are in panelist. Please unmute yourself and ask your question.
It's Bharat Ne Gandhi. Bharat Shah is over.
Yes, sir. Bharat Ne Gandhi is available in the panelist.
Mr. Bharat, you can unmute and then speak. I think there is some technical issue. So Sanjay, let's move ahead.
Our next speaker shareholder is Mrs. Lata Ne Gandhi.
She is not available in the meeting.
Our
Next.
next speaker shareholder is Yashashvi Kothari.
She is also not available in the meeting.
Our next speaker shareholder is Mr. Girish Shah.
He is not available in the meeting.
Our next speaker shareholder is Mr. Dhyaneshwar Bhagwat.
Hello, am I audible, sir? Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, we can. Please go
Thank you
ahead.
very much, sir. Thank you very much, sir. First of all, good evening to all the board members and myself, Dhaneshwar K. Bhagwat from Mumbai. First of all, I would say thank to the company secretary, Mr. G.R. Agrawal, for sending me the soft copy as well as hard copy of the AGM, well in advance, which is full of information. Fact figures are very easy to understand. So thanks to sir and his team. Secondly, about the financial part, I don't have much question. Sir, very much good, excellent, informative annual report copy is drafted, which has given all the details adherence to corporate governance norm. Fourth, I support all the resolution. Fifth, the question which has, sir, I have sent you all the questions. So please reply those questions. Second request is that Mr. Bharatne Gandhi, you have taken his name, but due to some mobile issue, he could not speak. So can he speak through this mobile? It's a request from me. He is sitting next to me. So can he talk through this cell?
Yes, he can if he is sitting with you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm just giving my mobile to him. So next voice will be the Mr. Bharatne Gandhi, sir.
Yes, please do that.
Hello. Hello, sir. Respected Chairman, Board of Directors, and fellow shareholder. Good evening to all of you. Myself, Bharat Neganti from Bombay. Firstly, I have received the annual report in time. Report is very beautiful, authentic, and transparent. I congratulate Company Secretary, Mr. G.S. Agarwal, and team to send me the physical copy to my residence address. I asked for 2 to 3 questions. Some auditor signed is 26 May, but meeting will be held on today. Today, so many meeting is there. The next time you try early. What is the CAPEX program? Number 3, what is the dividend distribution policy? Number 4, total number of the employees in the office and the plant. And you have arranged the factory visit. Some previous speaker there told me that you are arranged this factory visit. So please this year you will try, because I'm one of the oldest shareholders. In my family, there is more than 7 to 8 folios there. All are there attend this meeting. Sir, my wife is Lata Bharat Neganti, you spoken this name, both the some technical mistake. So I sent the query to email. So please you accept it. They also I fully support to pass all the resolution and wish bright and healthy future of the company. Thank you once again, Mr. J.S. Agarwal and Raju Bhai. They give you the investor service, good investor service to the shareholders. Once again, I thank you, Mr. Agarwal and Mr. Raju Bhai. Also, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
हेलो सर. हेलो सर, आपको कल इंडिपेंडेंस डे की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. मैं उसके लिए आपसे लेट के लिए माफी चाहता हूं, क्योंकि उनको भी बात करनी थी, इसके लिए मैंने आपको नहीं दे पाया. और दिवाली के भी हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. और सेकेंडली सर, आपने मुझे बोलने का मौका दिया दानेश्वर के भागवत, इसके लिए आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया सर. थैंक यू वेरी मच सर.
Thank you.
Our next speaker shareholder is Mr. Hardik Jain.
He is not available in the meeting.
Our next speaker shareholder is Amirali Lakdawala.
Hello, can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Great. Respected Board of Directors, Chairman, Company Secretary, fellow shareholders, good evening to all. Myself, Amirali Lakdawala from Mumbai. I sincerely thank our Company Secretary, Mr. G.S. Agarwal ji and Chirag Devani for giving me the opportunity to speak today, for promptly sharing the AGM report, and for arranging this meeting through video conferencing, making it easy for shareholders across India to join. I thank the management for keeping a strong order, focusing on our strength in defense, nuclear, and aerospace, and planning upgrades for future growth. It is also encouraging that operations are supported by positive cash flow. Most importantly, in quarter one of financial year 2025, losses came down, EPS improved, and results were the best in 5. This improvement shows clear direction and commitment towards long-term success. I am confident that with this focus and determination, the company will achieve stronger results in the years ahead. My best wishes to the board, management, and all employees for a brighter and more successful future. That's all from my side. Thank you.
Our next speaker shareholder is Mr. Gaurav Sood.
He has not available in the meeting.
Thank you, shareholders. Now all shareholders who have registered with us as speaker shareholders has spoken in the AGM. So now I request our MD and CEO to respond some of the questions and suggestions made by the shareholders.
Thanks, Mr. Agarwal. So there were not many questions, but there were a few sort of larger themes that I can respond to. Some people asked about defense orders. Of course, we are in the defense business. We have a very healthy order book, and as most people know, that we are in multiple missile programs, and currently we are executing 6 different missile programs, although we are qualified for 13. So our focus on defense is really on missile programs. Himanshu ji asked on exports versus domestic. We don't really have a very large export book. Largely, our exports go in our product businesses, which is centrifugals, and now we are executing one large project in our process equipment business. But overall, I think our export business has usually been anywhere in the region of 10 to 18% of our turnover, but not bigger than that, although it is a big thrust area as far as we are concerned. You asked about market share. Different businesses of ours have different market shares. Centrifugal is 65% market share in India. Gears is maybe 10%. So it fluctuates. In aerospace, in the products we make, we have a 50% market share. So it's a very fluid part of our business. Margins, we don't actually share any public information on margins. And obviously, as you all see in the numbers, it's a sort of a consolidated margin that we can calculate. But fair to say that our margins in many of our businesses are good and better than our customers, and that will play out in the next few years as the sort of the company grows. Anil Bhai asked about growth in 25-26. Of course, again, we don't give any earnings numbers. Let's just suffice to say that this year will be obviously a better year than last year, and there will be a trajectory of growth, not just this year, but over the next few years for the organization. Physical AGM, okay, we will think about it. I think this is very convenient for many people. Somebody asked, Bharat Negandhi asked about employee count. We have about 250 or 220, 230 management staff, and we have about 1,000 blue collar employees, of which 650 are unionized and 300 to 350 are contract workers at the factory. So that's the employee count. CapEx plan, as all of you know, we raised money through 2023, 2024. The CapEx plan at that time was 84 crores. Out of that 84 crores, we have already spent and nearly installed about 40 crores. the balance 44 crores will be installed in the next, let's say 12 months. So by the end of June, July next year, we will have implemented our capex plan of 1.5 years ago. That's it. I think there were some queries that came on email. I think those guests are not here on the call, so we will wherever we can respond, we will respond. But most of those queries that came on email have already been answered by me. So I think I've covered. Many of you talked about plant visit. Plant visit is something we stopped a long time ago, and I don't think that is something that we will start soon because of the fact that our business is under, because we do defense and sort of businesses that are protected by the Official Secrets Act. It makes it very difficult now for us to do plant visits for shareholders, but maybe we can figure out some other way of some virtual something at the AGM that gives you all a feel for the plant or photographs or a virtual walkthrough. We'll think of something that makes it as meaningful. I think that's it. We have covered everything. Agarwal, if you have anything, then go ahead.
Thank you, MD and CEO, sir. Now I request the chairman to continue the proceedings of the meeting, which is at now serial number 30. Proceed.
Okay. So thank you, shareholders, for your participation so far, and also to Managing Director, CEO, for responding to most of the queries, if not all. Now, please note that e-voting facility will remain open for the next 15 minutes to enable those members who have not yet cast their vote and would like to cast their vote now. I now authorize the company secretary to conduct the voting procedure and thereafter to declare the result of the voting in accordance with the prescribed procedure. Do note that the result of the voting along with the scrutinizer's report will be intimated to the stock exchanges and will also be uploaded on the website of the company, that is www.walchan.com, and website of NSDL, that is www.evoting.nsdl.com, within 48 hours of the conclusion of the AGM. The business of this AGM having been completed, I now announce that this meeting stands concluded. I now heartily thank all the esteemed shareholders for their active participation and valuable suggestions. Most importantly, I appreciate on behalf of the company all your support and confidence in the management of the company. I also take this opportunity to wish all of you and your respective families best of health. Thank you.
Thank you, Chairman, sir. So now the proceedings of the AGM is concluded. So I thanks to the chairman and all other board members and the shareholders who have participated in the annual general meeting of the company, and the supporting NSDL staff for arranging this meeting in a perfect manner. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Can we end the meeting? Hello?
Yeah, we can end now.
Yeah.